like
Alright.
spacemen.
Let's get this shit done. Fucking lock in. Isn't it like randomly generated, the whole setup?
Yeah, every time. Hold on, I'm gonna make this jump. Check this out.
Tana, you go for it.
You got it. It's an easy one.
Yeah, you look like a spaceman jumping. Oh, because you guys are on the moon. That makes sense.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, Georgia lost. I might just jump off. Who's this in front of me?
You think I make this jump?
No.
Yeah? Tanner! Tanner! I'm going for the jump.
Idiot.
Alright, not bad. I've gotten worse.
I was so sudden here. Think I can make this jump?
That's how much?
We only need 130. That's not even hard.
Oh, we're good.
Huh?
Yeah.
I hear something. Oh shit! No!
Nope, we're out of there.
I can't see! Help me! Get it off me!
It's on his head.
Get it off me! I hear you! Help me!
Oh, shit.
It's muffled.
Critical injury here! That's
Can I
cool.
take it off? Oh, he died.
Trevor, where the fuck did you go?
I don't think Tanner was in there either.
What the fuck, dude?
I'm switching between you. Trevor's like, I can make it. And I switched to Tanner. He's like looking outside the ship. He's like, Trevor, where the fuck did you go?
Other people that I'm just completely bitching.
Okay, I'm
Dude.
gonna distract these bees. Someone grab the beehive.
I'll grab it.
Oh shit.
You didn't distract it! Are they chasing me? Yep.
Yeah, they're definitely good.
Alright, that's cool.
Oh shit, he died. Why'd you put his body like that?
Trying to put him to bed. There we go.
They killed you?
Yeah.
Why'd they kill you?
Because they were running at him, so I ran in his way so they wouldn't get him.
He's
Yeah, this
dead.
fucking retard's dead.
Fucking dumbass. Oh my
He was like,
god.
"Oh, grab it, I'll distract
Oh,
him."
strike. As soon as I grabbed that shit, they were on my ass.
I heard him flying towards me, so I thought it was fine. They didn't fly very far, apparently. And
Oh.
Tyler, the laziest employee. That's crazy.
Yeah. How you doing that?
One.
We just sit here till midnight fucking dancing.
Ah, more fucking. Oh my god, bro.
What the fuck? Holy shit, he's dead! Fuck this. Nope. I got the bell, I'm out.
that door and get past the turret, there's loot over there. Maybe that's why the turret's...
We're not gonna be able to get past it though.
You don't think so?
I don't
I got
think.
shot a couple times, I was fine. If I sprinted
Is
past
this it? This is it right here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, where should we go? Should we?
Just
We
run
can. There's a
straight past-
stair.
Oh, wait, dude!
Run! Run! Oh shit! So what do we have?
Staying
A
alive.
fucking bell to our name? It's not even in here anymore.
Sorry, we're kind of a last day team.
Yeah.
Not drop off.
Yo.
This is you have one more day.
Oh my god, what is that?
That's the dinosaur! Don't move! Don't move and it won't hurt you. I seen a video of it. Don't move.
Sounds
Go, go.
What the fuck? What the fuck, dude?
That was not the dinosaur. The dinosaur looked like a T-Rex, dude. That was something different.
I thought that was it.
Dance song, Trevor. Yeah. Oh, guys.
In or what?
Help!
What? What is it? What is it? What is it?
There's a spider or something over there.
Where? Tanner, turn around.
Did I go too far up?
Where are you going? You're good, Tanner.
So do I just set it on the thing and tap the bell, and it'll like take it?
Yeah, don't ring the bell so we have everything then. I don't know, actually.
Yeah.
Yay, you guys finally did it.
Fucking hit the strip club up now. Wait, I think it's over there, right?
Yeah.
Tanner, watch out! Why the fuck didn't you move, retard? Let me get. Oh, there's a bee.
I got this, don't even worry.
Oh, dude, fuck beehives. How much are they even fucking worth?
Like 100.
That's big. That's a lot.
Oh, there's another one.
Fuck. Fuck.
Oh shit, what the fuck is that thing?
Dude, that's the thing I saw.
Oh!
What is that? No, why is it so big?
Run, boy. Hurt.
He jumps off. Oh, shit.
Why does it look like that?
That was funny. Oh, beehive, beehive.
Alright, I got the distraction door.
I'm gonna grab it, and Tanner, you close the door. They followed me.
What's up?
Fuck!
Where the fuck is it?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. I got 135 for it. I say we just find another beehive and hit our quota.
Yup.
There it is.
I'll distract them. Wait.
Yeah,
Across
I'm
the
low
water,
on
right?
health, so I'll distract you.
That's a sick plan,
What the
dude.
fuck?
That was bulletproof. Tanner! I see a big animal. Oh, wait, dead body. Tanner.
Coming.
Dude, Trevor's fucking dead.
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
Jump up.
Throw him,
dumb
dude. I'll catch him.
How do I throw him?
G. Just leave him. Tanner.
Wait, what's that?
You idiot. Wait, I can grab you.